What Carlson is doing today is we are putting on a free car seat safety and recall check. It's important to get your car seat checked because a lot of parents don't know that their kids are in the wrong car seat or that their kids have outgrown the current car seat that they're in.
So car crashes are a leading cause of death in our children, ages 1 to 14. There's probably a 98% misuse rate. We are checking the car seats, we are making sure that they are installed properly. If there are mistakes, we're correcting those mistakes with the families. And part of that education is showing the parents how to install the car seat so that they know how to do it if they ever have to take it out.
We value the safety of all of the children and the kids and the family on the road, so that's why we are putting on this event.